Hello everyone, welcome to Hans' Creations. Today I'm going to show you something you've never heard or seen before, and it's my LEGO Mask 2020. This is my LEGO Mask 2020. As you can see, this thing has many parts where they connect and bend. Here, 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 and here. These are the pieces I used. I used this piece for here. I used that here and here. I used jumper plates for this place, and this place. For making it easier, because I had them, a lot of them. I used inverted tile here for my nose. I used 4 of these on top of these so this thing can be secure. And the chain has these chain pieces and one of these string pieces. I have 5 of these. And if it's too big for me, I just have to take one of these off. And then I close this here. Now for the parts you can't see. This is a 2x4. The 2x4 is right there. And for the last hidden piece, there's a 1x2 right here, a yellow 1x2. And that's all the hidden piece. Now I'm going to put on the coronavirus mask. First, I take this off and then I wrap it around my head. As you can see, this thing is a bit bigger for me, so I'm going to show you how to decrease the length. Now I'm going to show you how to decrease the length. First, I take this off and then I take this off here. And then I put this here. I decrease the length now. You can decrease it 4 more times. Now I'm going to put it on. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for. Ta-da! When I want to take it off, I just move this flexible part down. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Bye!